Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Good Riddance on ukulele. Begin by learning the G chord, placing your first finger on the second fret of the C string. Then, move to C, D, and M. Focus on clean finger placement and a light touch. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four shapes to build a solid foundation. The main strumming pattern for Good Riddance is a simple yet effective down, down, up, up, down. Try to keep your wrist loose and your strumming hand relaxed. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and produce a clear sound. Practice this pattern slowly with each chord before trying to speed it up. The song primarily uses a 4-chord progression. For the verses, you'll play G, C, D, and then back to G. The chorus section introduces the M chord, following a G, C, D, M pattern. Listen carefully to the original song to get a feel for the timing and when each chord change occurs. Consistency is key here. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering Good Riddance. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and help you keep a steady beat. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording to fine-tune your strumming and chord changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.